Class 1123 English language students. Are you still struggling with your preparation? You can't find the right ELEs without the copyright claims. You can't find the notes in one place, the recordings, and where exactly and what exactly are you supposed to do? Well, we have a one-stop solution for all your needs. Log on to javeriaamir.com, and when you go there, go to our resources page. We have everything you need at one place. First of all, what I'd recommend is go on to our YouTube channel and focus on the grammar playlist because your paper 2 is the first paper that you're dealing with. And out of your 50 marks exam, 30 marks, that means 60% of your grade is just about the quality of language bit. Do you understand punctuations? Do you know where the M dash or a semicolon is supposed to go? Or, basic enough, do you know we're supposed to put a comma in a sentence? Do you even know what's the difference between a compound and a complex sentence? For all those things, I'd recommend watching these 5 short videos. If you're a quick learner, you can just go to our notes page and just drop down to our grammar box and watch the grammar resource. Everything completely free of cost, completely curated according to the new syllabus, and really neat and easy to learn from. Once you've watched the video and once you've seen the notes, you can also go up there and test yourself with 5-minute short worksheets to check your answers. Well, they'll be marked exactly by the website. Once you're done with all of that, then you can start off with the proper topics. For example, directed writing. You only need a couple of things. You need to know the complete formats. You need to know the notes. Everything in one place. If you're still struggling, once again, go to our YouTube channel, find the right playlist, and watch what you need. Every student has a different pace, and this is made to follow your pace. This is all that we have for paper 2 writing. What we also have, Manabita, is a 5-day plan. The 5-day plan is supposed to tell you how can you utilize these last 5 days. I'd recommend starting off with grammar first, today and tomorrow. Once again, 60% of your syllabus, and it's just these 5 things: sentence structures, punctuations, grammar, vocabulary, and spellings. For vocabulary, you don't need 500 words. You can't memorize 500 words with the remaining 5 days. So just do 50. Because we've already made a 25 words per section vocabulary PDF for you. 25 for directed writing and 25 for essay writing. You'll easily be able to use at least 15 of those 25 words in all your essays or all your directed writings. That's how efficient they are. Once you're done with that, this is what you're supposed to do for directed writing. Learn the basic meaning of development and evaluation. Once again, we just have a quick short 54-minute lecture, the first lecture on YouTube for directed writing. Then understand the differences in the formats and then attempt at least 5 ELEs. We'll also be uploading the sample answers for every single ELE right on that website. And once you're done with all of that, that's when you start with essay writing. Because that's one thing you're already a bit comfortable with. If you need any external help, you can join our WhatsApp community already that has 950 students who are here to help you out. One-stop solution for all your needs. And the same will go for paper 1. As soon as we're done with paper 2, we'll be starting off with a 5-day plan for paper 1 as well. And just to show you a sneak peek, I know that you guys struggled with finding the ELEs with the right inserts and all of that. Well, here we have it compiled for you. Even the most recent ELEs available, let's say winter 25. All the inserts are right here. You don't need to deal with the copyright claim. You're already so stressed with the exam burden. I'm sure you don't want to look for the copyright claim and everything. Excuse my bad internet. It's not the website. It's definitely the internet. But yeah, here you go. All the inserts in one place. I think this one is the most difficult for kids to find all around. And lastly, if you're done with all of that and you just want to get in the exam headspace, go to our scripts section and find some scripts, even ones that have scored 50 out of 50 marks. And that's it for this video. See you next time.